Alrighty, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Today is August 15th, 2025. I am Judge Case Johnson. I am the Magistrate Court Judge presiding over this morning's calendar.
Estamos transmitiendo en vivo en YouTube. Buenos días a todos. Hoy es día 15 de agosto del 2025. Yo soy la jueza Case Johnson y soy la jueza del Tribunal de Primera Instancia que preside la lista de causas del día de hoy.
If you are having problems hearing me, please let me know, as there are a few things I need to go over with you prior to starting today's calendar. Please listen carefully, as it will better help you understand the purpose of today's proceeding.
Si tiene dificultad para escucharme, por favor hágamelo saber. Hay varias cosas que necesito repasar con usted antes de pasar la lista. Por favor, escuchen atentamente porque esto le va a ayudar a entender mejor la naturaleza y el propósito de la audiencia del día de hoy.
First, I am not here to try your case, take a plea, or have any legal discussions with you about the specifics of your case. The purpose of first appearance is to inform you of the charges against you, advise you of certain rights, set bonds for those offenses for which I am authorized to set bond, to schedule a preliminary hearing, and to determine whether you require the assistance of an attorney.
En primer lugar, no estamos acá para tener un juicio en su caso, para que se declare a los cargos o para tener discusiones legales con respecto a los hechos específicos de su caso. El propósito de la comparecencia inicial es informarle cuáles son los cargos que se le imputa, informarle ciertos derechos, asignarle una fianza en aquellos delitos en los cuales este tribunal está autorizado a fijarle fianza, programarle la fecha de su audiencia preliminar y determinar si usted requiere la asistencia de un abogado.
You have the right to remain silent. Please do not attempt to tell me any specifics about your case or any legal defense that you may have. As I said earlier, we are streaming live, and anything you say during this proceeding can and will be held against you in later proceedings.
Usted tiene el derecho de permanecer callado. Por favor, no trate de hablar de los hechos específicos de su caso o cualquier defensa legal que usted piense que pueda tener. Como le dije anteriormente, estamos transmitiendo en vivo y cualquier cosa que usted diga podría y sería utilizada en su contra en las audiencias posteriores.
You have the right to remain silent, so please do not attempt to tell me any specifics about your case or any legal defense that you may have. As I stated earlier, we are streaming live, and anything you say during this proceeding can and will be held against you in later proceedings. I'm sorry, I repeated that.
Yes,
Now,
Honor.
during this and all other proceedings, you have the following rights: right to the presumption of innocence, right to an indictment by a grand jury for felonies or by accusation for misdemeanors, right to a speedy and public trial by jury, right to compel the attendance of witnesses to testify on your own behalf, right to see, hear, and question witnesses who are called to testify against you, right to testify on your own behalf or offer evidence in your own defense, and your right to have an attorney represent you. And if you cannot afford an attorney, one can be appointed if you qualify.
Durante esta audiencia y todas las audiencias posteriores, usted tiene los siguientes derechos: el derecho a la presunción de inocencia, el derecho a la presentación de un documento inculpatorio por parte de un gran jurado o que se le formule una acusación si son delitos graves o que se le formule una acusación si son delitos menores. El derecho a tener un juicio sin demora público ante un jurado, el derecho a exigir la presencia de testigos para que testifiquen a su favor, el derecho de ver, escuchar y contrainterrogar a todos los testigos que sean citados a testificar en su contra, el derecho de testificar a su favor y presentar pruebas para ser utilizadas en su defensa, y el derecho de ser representado por un abogado. Y si usted no tuviera los medios para contratar un abogado, uno le podría ser asignado si usted cumple con los requisitos.
Now, excuse me. If you are not a U.S. citizen, some charges may adversely affect your immigration status, so you will need to consult with an attorney.
Si usted no es ciudadano estadounidense, algunos cargos podrían afectar de forma negativa su estatus migratorio, o sea que usted debería de consultar con un abogado.
Now, some of you will be allowed to post what we call unrestricted bonds for your release from jail pending the prosecution of your case. These bonds may be posted in 3 ways: cash, commercial, or property.
A alguno de ustedes se le va a permitir pagar una fianza para permitirle salir de la cárcel, teniendo su caso pendiente para ser procesado. Estas fianzas pueden ser pagadas de 3 maneras diferentes: en efectivo, utilizando una compañía de fianza comercial o utilizando una propiedad.
If you post a cash bond, someone will deliver the full amount of the bond in cash, together with any mandated fees to the sheriff's office, who will hold it till after the final court date, at which time the cash will be returned to the person who posted it.
Si usted paga la fianza en efectivo, alguien tendría que llevar la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo más las tarifas de ley a la oficina del alguacil, la cual se quedaría con este dinero hasta el final de su caso, y luego el dinero le sería reembolsado a la persona que lo pagó después que usted tenga su última audiencia.
If you do not have the full amount of the bond in cash, you could also use a commercial bonding company who may take up to 15% of the bond as their fee, and this fee will not be returned to you.
Si usted no tuviera la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo, usted podría utilizar una compañía de fianza comercial, la cual le podría cobrar hasta un 15% de la cantidad total de la fianza, pero ese dinero no le sería reembolsado.
You may also have someone post a property bond so long as the net equity in that property is at least 3 times the amount of your bond. For example, if I set a bond for $2,000, your property must have at least $6,000 in equity to qualify as a property bond.
Usted también podría pedirle a alguien que utilice una propiedad para pagar la fianza, siempre y cuando dicha propiedad tenga un capital neto que sea por lo menos 3 veces la cantidad total de la fianza. Por ejemplo, si yo le asigno una fianza de $2,000, la propiedad tiene que tener un capital neto de por lo menos $6,000 para poder ser utilizada como una fianza con propiedad.
Each of you will have as a condition of your bond that you are not to violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Cada uno de ustedes va a tener como una de las condiciones de su fianza que usted no puede infringir las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza.
But some of you will have additional special conditions that prohibit you from contacting certain people or going to certain places. If you have a no contact provision on your bond, this means that you must stay away from and have no contact with the victim. You may not call, text, email, write a letter to, or contact through any social media platform. You can't even do something nice for that person, such as sending them flowers, a gift, or even a nice song. As nice as this may be, it would be a violation of your bond.
Algunos de ustedes van a tener condiciones especiales adicionales donde se le prohíbe ponerse en contacto con ciertas personas o de que vaya a ciertos lugares. Si las condiciones de su fianza estipulan no tener contacto, esto significa que usted tiene que mantenerse totalmente alejado y no tener ningún tipo de contacto con la víctima. Usted no podrá llamar, enviar un mensaje de texto, un correo electrónico, escribir una carta o tener contacto utilizando las redes sociales. Usted ni siquiera va a poder hacer algo amable por esa persona, como enviarle flores, un regalo o una canción, porque por más amable que esto aparente ser, esto constituye una violación de las condiciones de su fianza.
Now, if I order you not to return to a particular location, that means that you cannot go back to that location for any reason. If the no return location is a shared residence, meaning you reside there along with the alleged victim, please let me know and I will authorize you to go back, but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect some of your personal belongings that are not in dispute, meaning there is no issue as to who owns that property.
Si yo le ordenara no regresar a un lugar en particular, esto significa que usted no puede regresar a ese lugar por ninguna razón. Si el lugar de que usted no puede regresar es una residencia compartida, lo que significa que usted reside ahí con la presunta víctima, por favor hágamelo saber y yo le voy a autorizar para que usted regrese, pero solamente acompañado de un alguacil para retirar sus artículos personales que no estén bajo disputa, o sea, de que no haya una controversia de a quién le pertenecen.
You would need to make an appointment with the sheriff's office within 10 days of being released to pick up your personal belongings.
Y usted tendría que hacer una cita con la comisaría durante los primeros 10 días después de haber salido en libertad para retirar sus artículos personales.
Now, unfortunately, some percentage of you will come back into custody on a bond revocation because you're not taking what I am saying here seriously. Instead, you will return to your residence or you'll reconcile with the victim, and it's all good until it's not.
Ahora, desafortunadamente, un porcentaje de ustedes van a regresar bajo custodia para una revocación de fianza porque ustedes no se están tomando lo que yo le estoy diciendo en el día de hoy en serio. En lugar de esto, usted regresaría a la residencia, se reconciliaría con la víctima y todo está muy bien hasta que ya no lo esté.
The moment the victim becomes upset, police will be called and you will be arrested and held without bond.
En el momento que la víctima se moleste, llamaría a la policía y usted sería arrestado de nuevo y tendría que permanecer arrestado sin derecho a fianza.
The court takes these special conditions very seriously. Just follow the order until it is modified or your case is resolved.
La Corte toma estas condiciones muy en serio, o sea que solamente acátese a la orden hasta que su caso, o sea, hasta que la orden sea modificada o su caso sea solucionado.
Now, if you do violate the bond order and the court considers your contact intimidating or harassing, you could receive additional felony charges such as aggravated stalking or influencing a witness. These type charges carry a punishment of up to 20 years in prison and $20,000 in fines.
Si usted incumple las condiciones de su fianza y la Corte considera que su contacto fue intimidante o acosador, a usted se le podría imputar cargos adicionales por delitos graves como persecución ilícita con agravante o influenciar a un testigo. Y este tipo de cargos conllevan un castigo de hasta 20 años de prisión y una multa de hasta $20,000.
Also, if your spouse, family member, or friend is the alleged victim in your case, he or she will not be allowed to post your bond, nor are you able to contact the victim while you are in jail.
Además, si su cónyuge, su pariente o un amigo es la presunta víctima en el caso, a él o a ella no se le va a permitir pagar su fianza. Tampoco se le permitirá a usted ponerse en contacto con la víctima mientras usted esté en la cárcel.
Now, some of you are charged with offenses for which this court is not authorized to set bond. In this event, a bond hearing will be scheduled before a judge of the Superior Court of Clayton County.
Ahora, a alguno de ustedes se le imputa cargo en los cuales este tribunal no está autorizado a asignarle una fianza. En ese caso, una audiencia para pedir fianza sería programada ante un juez del Tribunal Superior del Condado de Clayton.
If you are currently on active probation, this court is not authorized to set bond at this time. Whether a bond is appropriate in your case will be reconsidered after the probation officer has had an opportunity to consider your new arrest.
Si actualmente usted está bajo libertad condicional, a esta tribunal no está autorizado a asignarle una fianza en este momento. Si la fianza es apropiada en su caso, sería considerada nuevamente después que su agente de libertad condicional haya tenido la oportunidad de evaluar el nuevo arresto.
Now, the purpose of a preliminary hearing is to determine whether there is enough evidence or probable cause to keep you detained on your charges. If you bond out, your preliminary hearing is automatically waived because you are out of jail and no longer detained.
El propósito de la audiencia preliminar es determinar si hay suficientes pruebas o motivo fundado para continuar con usted detenido por los cargos de imputados. Si usted paga su fianza y sale, su audiencia preliminar se cancela automáticamente porque ya usted no está en la cárcel y ya usted no está detenido.
If you are charged with misdemeanors only, when you come before the court, I will ask you if you wish to waive your preliminary hearing. Waiving your preliminary hearing does not affect your rights, your bond amount. It simply moves your case from magistrate court to state court faster.
Si a usted se le imputa cargos por delitos menores solamente, cuando usted venga ante la corte, yo le voy a preguntar si usted quiere renunciar a tener su audiencia preliminar. Renunciar a tener su audiencia preliminar no afecta a sus derechos ni la cantidad de su fianza, simplemente mueve su caso del tribunal de primera instancia al tribunal estatal más rápido.
This court does not have any preference as to whether you waive your preliminary hearing. But if I ask you whether you waive your preliminary hearing, and if you respond by asking what that means, I will go ahead and schedule your preliminary hearing because I do not want you waiving something you don't understand.
Esta corte no tiene ninguna preferencia de si usted renuncia a tener su audiencia preliminar o no. Sin embargo, si cuando usted venga ante mí, yo le pregunto que si usted quiere renunciar a tener su audiencia preliminar y usted responde diciendo qué significa esto, entonces yo le programaría la fecha de su audiencia preliminar porque yo no quiero que usted renuncie a algo que usted no entiende lo que es.
Also, if you have a prior criminal history, meaning this is not your first arrest, you are not eligible for what is known as an OR or a signature bond.
Además, si usted tiene antecedentes penales, lo que significa que este no es su primer arresto, entonces usted no cumple con los requisitos para lo que se llama una fianza bajo firma o una fianza bajo palabra.
All right, and so it has come to our attention that inmate families have been contacted by individuals claiming to be an employee of the jail, offering a pretrial program and dismissal of all charges for a substantial fee. Please note that this is a scam. No such program exists from the jail.
Se nos ha informado que los familiares de los detenidos han sido contactados por individuos haciéndose pasar por empleados de la cárcel y ofreciendo un programa de resolución previa al juicio y desestimar los cargos si se paga una cantidad sustancial. Por favor, sepa que esto es una estafa y que un programa de esta índole no existe en la cárcel.
Finally, I'm about to read the oath to you. If you understand and swear to it, please state I do. Would everyone please raise their right hand?
Finalmente, estoy a punto de leer el juramento. Si usted así lo entiende y así lo jura, por favor diga lo juro. Por favor, levanten todos su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm that the information you're about to give this court, as well as the information you provided on your court-appointed counsel application, is true and correct? If so, please state I do.
¿Jura usted y afirma que la información que está a punto de dar ante este tribunal, así como también la información suministrada en su solicitud para un abogado de oficio, es correcta y verdadera? Si así es, diga lo juro.
Lo juro.
I do swear, I do swear.
Okay. All righty. And so who are the two interpreter cases?
¿Cuáles son los dos casos para la intérprete?
Gomez is first.
Okay, let's see. All right, I have Gomez. And then who else?
And what's your name?
And then it says Edwin
Nino.
Is that an M? You said Mio?
And Nino.
Ask him to say his name.
Nino.
Oh, Nino.
¿Cuál es su nombre?
Edwin Nino. Edwin Nino.
Oh, okay.
Edwin Nino.
Hold on 1 second.
Un momento.
What they do? What y'all doing?
I take the shit.
Hey, it ain't working. You can clean this up. I don't know what the fuck going on. It's like when we clean up, say yes. That is tracing yourself. Nobody clean down here?
Deputy, is Gomez an add-on?
You said is Gomez an add-on? The last time.
Yes, because I don't have him. Maybe I just, for whatever reason, I don't see him on my list.
Which one you saw? Which one?
He number 16.
Yeah, we got Gomez, Ramirez, Jose.
Did you say number 16?
In jail.
Yeah, and so, Ms. Bermudez, I'm sure one of you probably don't see it because it probably was from yesterday. Because remember, we do first appearance every other day. So yeah, it's probably from yesterday.
Okay. Because I don't see him on the list.
Yeah, it would be on yesterday's list. Do you need me to send that over to you?
If you don't mind, Your Honor.
Now, do you get the first appearance stuff?
I do.
From yesterday?
I'm looking at the list that was provided to me. That's supposed to be the list for today. But for whatever reason.
The full list. Yeah.
If you tell me what number he's on the list, maybe it'll be easier for me to find him.
Let's see here. Let's see.
That's enough.
You're asking about Nino or Gomez?
Gomez, Your Honor.
Gomez. He's on there.
Yes.
The list that we got this morning at 4:02.
What position is he in? What number? Does it show?
I don't know what position, but he is on the first page. He's on the first page of the list. Magistrate Court first appearance list.
Okay, I can get it afterwards. It's fine. I just need it for my records.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
it's fine.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
yes. The list that I have, it doesn't have his
Doesn't
name.
have
I
that?
don't know why. No, ma'am. It's okay.
So hold on.
Jail.
They ain't had nothing for you to do.
Y'all done? What y'all saying? It's me and Hart.
What the hell happened?
Ambrose is Miss Flower. I don't know what you got. Yeah, she been found.
I just forwarded you. You'll see all the documents on there, but only go into the committal docs, and you'll see. If you open that up, the first page, you'll see you'll see his name on that list.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
All righty. So let's do Mr. Nino first.
Vamos a lidiar con el señor Nino primero.
All right, Mr. Nino, you are charged with battery, family violence.
Ok, señor Nino, a usted se le imputa el cargo de agresión física, violencia intrafamiliar.
How old are you, sir?
¿Qué edad tiene usted, señor?
27.
27.
I'm setting your bond at $2,500.
Yo le estoy fijando su fianza a 2,500.
You may not have any contact with, actually, I'm doing your bond at 3,000.
Usted no puede tener contacto. Realmente les voy a fijar su fianza a 3,000.
You can't have any contact with Dea Fernandez.
Usted no puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con Dea Fernández.
Do you understand that, sir?
¿Entiende usted eso, señor?
Sí, señorita.
Yes, ma'am.
Do y'all reside together?
¿Viven ustedes juntos?
En el mismo apartamento, pero puedo mudarme.
In the same apartment, but I'm able to move.
Yeah, I was about to say, you cannot return to 5074 Old Dixie Road.
Y yo estaba a punto de decirle que usted no puede regresar a la 5074 Old Dixie Road.
Okay.
And that's in that's apartment A1.
Lo siento, eso es en el apartamento A1
And that's Forest Park.
y es en Forest Park.
You may go back to the house to collect your personal belongings,
Usted puede regresar a la casa a retirar sus artículos personales,
but only while accompanied by law enforcement.
pero solamente si está siendo acompañado de uno de los agentes del orden público.
Está bien.
That's fine.
I am going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you.
Yo voy a proceder y le voy a asignar un abogado.
Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Su audiencia preliminar va a ser el 9 de septiembre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Y si usted paga su fianza y sale, usted no tiene que asistir a esa audiencia.
Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
¿Pregunta? ¿No? ¿Pregunta?
Question?
Quiero llamar a un amigo para pagar la fianza.
I would like to call a friend to pay the bond.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. You can bond out. Someone will have to bond you out.
Usted puede pagar su fianza y salir. Alguien tiene que pagarla.
You ready for Gomez?
Yes.
Tell him go towards the wall right there.
Go towards the wall right there.
And wait.
All right. State your name for the record.
Diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
José Benjamín Gómez Ramírez.
José Benjamín Gómez.
Right. Mr. Gomez, you are charged with rape,
Señor Gómez, a usted se le imputa el cargo de violación.
your bond is denied,
Le estoy negando su fianza.
a bond hearing will be scheduled with the Clayton County Superior Court
Una audiencia para pedir fianza va a ser programada en el Tribunal Superior del Condado de Clayton.
I'm also appointing an attorney to you.
Y también le estoy asignando un abogado.
Have any questions, sir?
¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta, señor?
Bueno, es que no me dejaron hablar con mis padres.
The thing is that they didn't allow me to talk to my parents.
Tengo 19 años.
Repita.
Y tengo 19 años y no me dejaron aclarar lo que pasó.
I'm 19 years old and they didn't allow me to clarify what happened.
Okay, I'm going to give you an attorney so that you can speak with an attorney. You're considered an adult.
Yo le voy a asignar un abogado, o sea que usted puede hablar con el abogado y a usted se le considera ser un adulto.
Okay.
Okay.
Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m.
Su audiencia preliminar está programada para el 8 de septiembre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's CA. Oh, here it is.
Okay, Your Honor, we
Okay,
start.
all righty. Thank you. Thanks, Ms. Bermudez. Is that all we needed? That's the only inmates that need interpreters?
Yes, that's all.
Do the females or
Okay. All righty. Thank you, Ms. Bermudez. Have a great one. And also, I need to get you over the reading version of the first appearance. I need to email that over to you. That's going to be a little different.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
I'll send that over today.
Thank you. Have a great
Thank
weekend.
you. Have a good one.
Tell them you're gonna swipe right at the end. You're gonna
All
swipe
right.
right.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Gemini Barnes.
Barnes. Okay.
She gonna swear me when you come up.
You have Barnes, Ely, Beecham, Brown, Burton, Brown, Bunch. It's just not endorsed.
Yeah, watch it.
I remember her. She's not that. All right, let me do somebody else first, please. So I can locate her paperwork. Oh, I have her. Here we go. I got her. Ugh, she was out of order. All right, Ms. Barnes, you're charged with theft by conversion. That bond is set at $4,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am. What's your name? I can't hear her name, but she's on mute.
Gloria Brown, Your Honor.
Brown, okay. Gloria Brown. All right, Ms. Brown. You are charged with battery family violence. I've set that bond at $5,000. You must stay away from Brenda Caney. Was that Rainey? And you may not return to 887 Pine Valley Drive in Forest Park. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I have also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Can I ask a question?
Uh-huh.
Will I be able to get my property from there?
Yes, and so you can go back when accompanied, but only while accompanied to law enforcement officer to get your paperwork. Excuse me, to get your belongings.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Carl is right. Carl Carroll.
We know it's still waiting.
Tell you.
All right. State your name.
Paris Carr.
All right, Ms. Carr, you're charged with deposit account fraud. That bond is set at $3,000, forgery in the fourth degree, $3,000 for a total bond of $6,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Hold on, not done.
Sorry.
And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Johnson.
What's your name?
Jasmine Deshay.
Benton, okay. Ms. Benton, you are charged with criminal damage in the second degree. That
Deshay.
bond is, say that again?
Jasmine Deshay.
She said what? Oh, I'm sorry, Jasmine. Say your last name.
Deshay, Deshea.
Sounds like she's saying with a B. It starts with a B.
D as in Delta.
Oh, D. Okay. Here it is. All right. You're charged with simple battery. I've set that bond at $500. The victim here. How do you know the victim?
He's my boyfriend.
And y'all reside together?
Yes.
Is this the first incident?
Yes. Well, with me, yeah.
Do y'all have children that reside in this home?
Yes, we got two.
I'm trying to determine if I'm going to take you out of this home. Generally, as a general rule, I have to remove you from the home. If I took you out of the home, where would you live?
I'm just gonna talk to him about it, and he was gonna go to council. He was gonna try to get counsel. So I was trying to see if I can get like a simple, like a signed bond, because this is my first offense. So I'm just trying to see if we can, because I told him he was gonna go to counseling.
Who are two fugitives? Harvey and Dan.
Ms. Deshea, if I put you back in this home, in this house, we're not gonna have problems again, are we? Because I'm gonna give you a chance. I'm gonna place in here that you are not to have any violent or harassing contact with Angel. Was it? What is that?
Guadalupe.
Yeah, Guadalupe. Can't read my own handwriting. You can handle that? And I'm only doing it because you don't have a criminal history. And you have minor children, but more importantly, because you don't have a history. All right, I'm taking a chance on you. I've set your bond at $500. You're gonna have to bond out.
So I can't get a signed bond.
Yeah, on family violence, I can't give a signature bond. Mm,
The dope. Oh. Just wait for the shoot.
I'm gonna go ahead and let you out. All right. Good. And so your preliminary hearing is September 9th, but once you get out, you don't have to worry about that. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
George. I'll be in jail. We arguing with y'all.
Hello. What's your name?
Kyle George.
I'll slide down for you. I don't know about hard. I don't have to feel.
IFETAYO.
George is your last name, though, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Oh, I have the warrant here, but I don't have the I don't have the bond. It's George.
You said you have my warrant?
Hold on.
They're not loud. They're loud. I don't know what I'm talking.
So y'all loud. First period still going on. Y'all right here. All the fence.
All of it.
Okay. It was actually
Or you think?
back of another. Yes, I need to print that out.
I like.
I said it right.
You did. That's the only word. That's crazy. That is crazy. That's
All right, she's gonna let me hold for her because I don't have her criminal history or anything right in front of me. So if you could put her back for just a moment.
Yes, Your Honor. She can go to the back of the line.
Pardon.
Harden.
Pardon, what you been dead now?
What's your name?
Jada Harding.
Harding. All right, Ms. Harding, you are charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance. The bond is set at 1,000, loitering 1,000 for a total bond of $2,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about it. Don't see her CAA form.
She is not hard.
Righty. All right, it does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you. Do you need to go into drug court, ma'am? Do you need some substance abuse help?
It wouldn't help.
Why wouldn't it help?
I said, I mean, it wouldn't hurt. That's what I meant to say. It wouldn't hurt.
Oh,
Yeah. It wouldn't hurt.
okay. All righty. I have I was sending over your paperwork for that information to try to get you in that program. All righty, good luck to you, ma'am.
And court is on the 9th.
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
Come on, John. Jones. Pardon. You got out, you came back out.
Welcome back.
I know. Can I please get some water
No,
for the
welcome back.
man?
She stay coming back.
Can I please get some water for the man?
Yeah.
No, because they messed his room up.
She gonna throw it
With
in the
that
water.
food? That food
Your
was
name?
Water.
Skylar Jones. Cup was all around.
Jones.
Oh, I didn't even get no water because.
Mhm. All right, Miss Jones.
Uh-oh.
Push down.
You ain't gonna be here. What she said? John, what she said?
Just looking.
Your Honor,
Yes,
Henry went home. Addis Henry, she burned it out.
who did?
Addis Henry,
The last name is Henry.
she was after Harding.
Okay. Oh, good. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Mhm.
All right. So, Miss Jones, I'm setting your bond at 4,000. You may not have any contact with Wayne Marshall, and you may not return to the 8118 Woods Lane in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do y'all reside together?
No, we don't. We haven't spoke since.
That's his location though.
No, it's not.
That was just a separate location.
That was where I lived. That was where I lived at the time. The location that happened at. I was the one that called the cops.
Alrighty, and so you can't return there. If you have anything there, you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to collect your personal belongings. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
you see him?
What's your name?
Jasmine Johnson.
All right, Ms. Johnson.
Y'all loud.
Professionals, you are professional. You are professional deputies.
And why would you go back over there?
I was honestly, I want he gonna see his son.
Honestly,
It's been
what?
5 months, so I wanted to be. He was begging to see his son. It's been 5 months he hasn't seen his son, so I was trying to be nice, let him see his son. So I came down to visit, let him see his son, and again.
All right. Battery, it's gonna be 3,000. Criminal trespass, 2,000. And a violation of that bond, I'm supposed to not give you a bond at all on that because you violated your bond order. Um,
This will never happen again. That's for sure.
Oh, you want
trying to see when this bond order came.
I believe it was in March. That's when the last incident happened. It was March 16th.
you think it's
Didn't say anything about the report says nothing about you were trying to see the child. It says that you were trying to see him.
No, I was letting him see the child. I was letting him see the child, our child. So that's why they said I violated. I was letting him see the child. He's not supposed to be near me or the child, our child.
tap, tap.
Where do you reside?
I live in Delaware. I came here to visit just for him to see his son. And I'll never do it again.
Is this your only child?
Yes.
And where's the child now?
With his grandfather, with the abuser's dad right now. That's why I really need to get to my baby.
Okay.
I'm gonna set you a bond, but it's gonna be 8,000
Tap is good.
Okay.
because you had no. But not only did you go back, you went back and then allegedly punched them and
I was defending
fighting and
myself.
damning the. I mean,
I was defending myself just like the last time.
okay. All righty. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Last. What's your name, ma'am?
Lexis
Say that again.
Nelson.
Nelson. All right.
Hey, you ain't hear me? You couldn't make it up for everybody. Everybody can go back.
Nelson, you are charged with battery. Everybody's so violent. I don't understand. Do you and Mr. Hewlett reside together?
Not anymore.
All right, you can't go back to that location.
Okay.
Which is 8702 Embry Drive. And where is that? What is that considered? What city is that considered?
Jonesboro.
All right, and you can't have any contact with Mr. Hewlett. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You can go back to collect any of your personal belongings that are not in dispute, but only while accompanied by a law enforcement officer. I'm setting your bond at $3,000.
Okay.
Let's see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing you one. All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I need that bond order on second. Okay, I need that bond order on that one. All right, what's your name?
Sierra Oliphant.
Oliver?
Oliphant.
Your name, Rodney? Spell your last name?
O-L-I-P.
Okay. The O.
Oliphant.
All right, I see you.
Summer. The two sisters. Child indeed. Olivia is first.
All right, you're charged with criminal trespass. You cannot have any contact with Demetrius Newman. Do y'all reside together?
No, ma'am.
All right, and so the incident location, you can't go back there. 3156 Mount Zion Road. Number 4, apartment 1402. And is that considered Jonesboro? Yes, Stockbridge.
Stockbridge. Oliphant. Black.
I'm setting your bond at $3,000. Again, no contact with Mr. Newman. and you may not return to the 3156 Mount Zion Road, apartment 1402, and I am appointing an attorney to you. I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you.
George, Patel.
All right.
That's George, Your Honor. You told her to come back up.
Yes, got her.
Oh, you got her?
What Robert's plaintiff ahead? I didn't say. I didn't say that other word. You can't say. I didn't. Dyson told me I had a good head.
Well, I did not. I never saw her. I never heard her say that. I never seen anything much of it.
Because you went up there.
I knew I was never here.
And you and Mr. Jones reside together?
No, not anymore. He left that night.
How do you know?
Bless
This has
you.
been my boyfriend for 5 years.
How do you know he left that night?
Oh, no, he took his stuff and we.
How do you know that?
They let me lock up the apartment. He grabbed all his stuff outside. The police was right there. They didn't leave until both of us left. So. They took me and he had all his stuff outside.
Yeah.
All right, I'm putting no contact with him.
Okay.
I was confused because
Setting your bond at 2,000.
it was like,
Okay.
if you write certified, you get right.
You said something about my warrant. Did I?
But then, it's easy. If you have to qualify, it's right here.
Do you know when that court date is? Yeah.
I am going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you.
Okay.
I'm certified on post. This ain't qualified this way.
All right, good luck to you, man.
Oh, did you hear my question? I'm sorry.
What was your question?
You said that I had a warrant, right?
No, I'm saying, yeah, I have the warrant that you're in front of me on.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, good luck. What's your name?
Kendra Rogers.
Rogers?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Rogers, you're charged with theft by shoplifting. That bond is set at $1,500. You may not return to the Walmart on 2940 Anvil Block Road in Ellenwood, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I am appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
I had a question. They also said I had a warrant. You know what's going on with that?
I won't know it. I don't know anything about that.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
You good to go? Go sit down. Summer.
That's a two. Here you go.
No, he ain't got me.
All
Hello,
right, what's your name?
Ariane Summers.
Summers? Mhm.
Yes, Your Honor.
There it is. She got the very bottom. All right, Miss Summers,
Yes, Your Honor.
and that is Ariana.
Ariane.
Is that right?
Ariane.
Okay. All right. You're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at 5,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce. That's 500. Violation of another VGCSA. That's 8,000. Use or possession of drug related. That's 500. Driving a vehicle on canceled registration, 1,000. No insurance, 1,000. Theft by receiving stolen property, 3,000. Possession of a weapon during the commission of a crime, 5,000. And the last violation of Georgia Controlled Substance, 2,000.
Excuse me, Your Honor. May I ask you a question? What is the council registration?
That means your tag. Something was wrong with your tag. Tag on the car. I did not change some numbers, so I gotta re-add your number.
It's all coming up. Two more. Got two more.
So it looks like it's a total of 25,000. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
10% of 25,000 is 2,500, $2,500.
It's about 15. Usually it's about 15%.
About 15%. So that's about like 3,000.
Something like that, yeah.
All right.
Trying to.
Oh. Yeah.
I am going to appoint an attorney to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You want the two sisters, Your Honor, Miss Toll and Toll?
Say that again.
You want the two sisters together?
Oh, who is the two sisters? Cole. We got two sisters in here?
That's what I said. Two sisters.
Wow.
You want them at the same time and talk to them?
Yeah, yes, that would be great. Let's see.
How about side? There they go.
Okay.
Good morning. Good morning. Well, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Hold on, let me.
He said she out like it.
You said tall as in Tull?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tall and tall. right, hold on.
He had to do shackle, but the nurse gave it to him, and he went back to the picture.
That's so fucked up.
Said something. He took a picture of the nurse, but he said some nurse over there said no reason to us. And they did the opposite. Yeah, they could just at least take the picture of us and send it to us. Share. So if y'all get put over there, just be mindful.
So y'all getting into this child kid stuff.
It was a misunderstanding. A very big one. It was supposed to be
Y'all, and then y'all got y'all kids looking at this foolishness.
it was supposed to be just a conversation.
And which one is Lanisha told?
Me.
It's told, and you have a history of violence. You got so many violent offenses on your criminal history. Do y'all reside in the same home?
No, ma'am.
So who resides at 526 Fielding?
None of us stay there.
That's just the incident location?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be ashamed. Y'all sisters acting like this. All right, so Anisha told. The allegation is that you also engaged your daughter into the physical fight.
No, that's not what took place. I came there to have a conversation with the adults while the kids was all down the street yelling. I came to the adults.
Being your sister.
No, the other parent that.
Oh, y'all were fighting somebody. I mean, allegedly.
Yes,
met
ma'am.
with somebody else.
Yes, ma'am.
I see. I'm sorry. I thought y'all were in mutual combat against each other.
Oh no, that's my sister.
Right. That's why I said y'all need to be. You still need to be ashamed. But I was thinking that you guys were fighting each other.
Oh no, ma'am. No.
I can't be getting in this game with these kids. All right. So on the battery, I'm going to set that bond at $3,000, contributing to the delinquency of a minor $2,000 for a total bond of $5,000. You cannot have any contact with Precious Lewis. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. And I have also appointed an attorney to you.
I have a lawyer.
Okay, but I'm appointing an attorney, but once your attorney files his entry of appearance, then that attorney will be removed.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
I see. Miss Tall, I see you don't have a history.
No,
Miss
ma'am.
Jalevia,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
don't let your sister be getting you in trouble. Not let your sister be getting you in trouble. All right, I'm going to let you out because you don't have a history.
Thank you.
Make sure the court has your proper information so that you can make sure you get court notices. If you don't, you're gonna miss a court date and then you'll be back here in jail. All right, so you'll be released today. Sign that waiver for me.
Thank you. You have a good day.
All righty.
Hey, Yana.
And I'm also appointing an attorney to her.
Hey, Yana.
Yes.
That's all the females. Can we do one male first, Jalen Freeman?
All right, so hold on. So for the males, because I didn't get through all of them, let me get the ones that I did get through.
Did you get through Freeman?
It's the F.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
I need, but do I need to take him? Is he
Yeah.
cutting up?
Yeah.
Okay, Freeman. All right. I do. Yes, I did do Freeman.
You gotta read him his oath too. We have brought him up. Read him his rights. You heard me? You heard me?
Huh?
You gotta read him his rights.
Oh, okay.
On his rights read so.
No, they can leave.
Yeah, but still, they from the dorm. The chaplain's not here. Well, the chaplain. You should call the chaplain. No, just her.
Okay, thank you.
Hopefully the chaplain will be around this. There you go. And move. Let them in. Freeman's coming out.
What's your name?
Leave all the Dome 6 for chaplain. He's coming.
Y'all to the dorm or honey?
Dome 6.
You say you're gonna take them home.
I said, that's the dorms.
We must have it. Stay on this side, house on this side. We're gonna take y'all out. Right.
Oh, he coming.
He coming out here to talk to me.
I think you're on
Dorm
video.
6?
You gotta come take
Y'all.
Chaplain.
The Freeman, what's going on?
Ma'am, how you doing, ma'am? First of all, how you doing?
I'm fine, but what are you back there doing?
I got into it with an officer. You talking about as far as
Why? Why?
These officers keep targeting me here. I've been here 4 years. I beat all my original charges that brought me here. I'm here for nothing but charges that I caught in the jail.
But do you think your behavior is
Officers are targeting. This is not a safe
gonna
jail.
let you get home? Do you think your behavior is gonna get you home any faster? You keep catching charges.
These folk keep doing stuff to me, so I'm fine. I mean, if as long as these folk do something to me, I feel like I'm protecting myself. These folk keep doing stuff to me, I feel like I'm protecting myself. This is not a safe facility, so I'm gonna keep protecting myself. So if that comes with charges, then so be it. I'm gonna keep protecting myself. The liability falls on the jail.
Spitting on an officer?
The officer spit on me, and then everything is alleged right now. Nothing is concrete.
Right, everything is alleged. You're absolutely right. I agree.
Yeah. So
but I'm just saying what's alleged. What's alleged is that you spit
right
on an officer. Okay.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Absolutely.
Levon Allen has people on his payroll that have never set foot in this jail.
Okay. All right. So your battery charge, I set it at $5,000. Obstruction, $3,000 for a total bond of $8,000.
Yes, ma'am.
I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. This jail needs an audit. Levon Allen is not spending the money that he's getting for the government on this jail. Everything is broken here. My toilet does not work and my seat does not work. I'm in an inoperable cell right now.
Okay. I'll note that.
Yes, ma'am.
9. Okay, these are misdemeanors.
Yeah, both misdemeanors.
And I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I got a substitute for you.
Sounds like somebody's still cutting up.
Your Honor, what's his last name? We're gonna have Jenkins up here. He can't. He doesn't have any vision, but he can hear you.
Okay.
Mr. Jenkins, right here. This way. I got you.
We doing all medical.
I got you. Okay. All right.
Montgomery and Vernon, go to
Stand right here.
Okay.
Mr. Jenkins, you're charged with criminal trespass.
What's your last name?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at your history. I don't see any recent history.
I don't have anything.
I have no criminal record.
Yes.
Trespass purposes. Do you guys reside at this house together?
That's my home, ma'am. That's my niece. She was homeless.
Okay.
My wife, we went and picked her up. This not the first time. It's the third time she don't stay with us. And she moved out. And I had and when she moved out, she wouldn't come and get her stuff. And so I wrapped it up and I set it on pallets. And if I'd have knew I was breaking the law, Your Honor, I wouldn't have did that. I didn't know I was breaking the law when I did that.
Okay. Okay. But she still resides with you.
No, ma'am, she don't live there. She moved out. She have her own place.
Well, then why does she have stuff at your house?
Because well, first of all, she got put out. She had a Section 8 apartment and she got put out. So she had about 12 boxes in the garage. When she got put out, she wouldn't come stay with us. She moved in with one of her girlfriends. So her and her girlfriend couldn't get along, so she got put out there. So I've been dealing with her all my life, so I love her. But like I say, Your Honor, I take full responsibility of putting her stuff out. But when I put her stuff out, I didn't just set it out. I wrapped it up and I set it on some pallets. And I had a tarp cover. So she came over there with her boyfriend. Okay, she won't pick up the phone when you call her. She won't respond, but she gonna bring her.
So, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Jenkins, looking at the warrant and your criminal history, I'm gonna dismiss this case. So you will be released today.
Thank you, ma'am.
But you can't have any more run-ins with her.
I know the next time she come over, I'm gonna call the police over there.
Right, exactly. Yep, okay. All right, there's a way you have to do it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All righty.
God bless you.
Thank you, I receive it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, we're gonna get you. Hold on. Grab his arm.
Can I get Lance, what's your name?
David Bircham.
David?
Yes, David. Yes, ma'am.
Last name is David?
No, it's Bircham. BRCHA.
Your Honor, I told them to alarm you that we're gonna do all three of these. The one you just saw and the next two, they're medical.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, on Smart. I have to come on back off and be dragging. Crazy.
Oh my.
Where he stopped? And just said, y'all must have taken He just fell on me.
Ma'am, if I could, I have a few things I'd like to address, please.
Hold on, I can't even read this warrant.
Well, I can give you the gist if you'd like me to, because they kept pounding it to me. It's a warrant for me supposedly attacking, but I was the one that was being attacked. And if you don't mind, I'll show you proof of it right now, if you don't mind. So you can see this.
No, I don't want to see proof.
I'm just saying, I also got bruises on my arm. I was in my house and my girlfriend's daughter and her boyfriend were there. Well, they got mad and I was in my bedroom talking to my girlfriend. And she come in there and started yelling, talking about busting up my shit. And I got thousands of dollars worth of guitars. So I walked out there. Well, she come up, she had a a metal walker, okay? And she was coming at me with it. So all I was to do was, okay? And then at the same time, her boyfriend comes up behind and says, he told me that he was trying to keep her from hitting me with it. But what actually happened is I was standing my ground in my house. Like I said, I had told them to get out because the only reason I came out of my bedroom is because she told her mom that she was going to break up all my shit, or I wouldn't even come out. Now, they didn't even bother. The police officers didn't even bother taking my side of it. What they did is I was sitting down. There was no fussing and fighting at the time when they come up. Okay, they took those two out, asked them the questions, come in and got me, put me in handcuffs, and then when they give me the Miranda rights, I was trying to tell them stuff, and all they would tell me is, you're innocent until proven guilty. So they basically didn't want to hear anything I had to say. I told them they're not only on drugs, they're both high, and they both were up for God knows how long. And they called the ambulance because she was falling. She was doing that earlier. They had come into my house at 4:30 in the morning, and I had just gotten back from dialysis. So this whole thing that blew up, they come at me. I was in one spot. I never moved except for to try and get them away from me. And I kept telling them, no, stop. So you know, as far as me trying to choke them, I was just trying to get them away from me. And they're about this tall. So I mean, unfortunately, I was either hit them in their head or whatever. I just was trying to get them off me because I mean they were up in my face. And ma'am, I'm 60 years old. I'll be 60 years old Sunday. Okay, I've never had any.
Yeah, I see that. Your little brushes with the law was many years ago.
Well, it wasn't even my fault. That was I when I had that brush, it was somebody stole my ID. So yeah, that was 3 years of heck.
All right, and so all right, so for the battery,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
gave you a bond of 1,000,
Okay.
but on the aggravated assault, only because of your history and the way this warrant is written, I gave you a bond on the aggravated assault of only 5,000. That's unheard of.
Yes, ma'am.
So your total bond right now is $6,000.
Do I come up with 10% of that? See, I don't know how this works. How
Like 15%, somebody will have to bond you out.
15%? So that's going to be.
You say you're on dialysis?
Yes, ma'am. I just had gotten home from dialysis when all that stuff went down.
Okay.
Like I say, they didn't even give me a chance to say my side of the story.
Okay.
So,
You can't have any contact with David Fearson or Emily Peaks.
right. Well, they were at my house. They attacked me, like I said. So.
Okay. Well, you can't make sure you don't have any contact with them at all.
Well, they
All
don't
righty.
in this town, yes, ma'am, unless they're at my house right now, which they very well could be. I don't know. But
All right. Well, if they are, you need to call the police, let them know that they're trespassing.
yes, ma'am. Well, yes. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
All right. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
And how much do I need for a bond out? I'm
Your
sorry.
total bond is 6,000.
Right, but I mean, I do 10%, right, or something like that. So that'd be what, 600? Okay. Well, I need to make a phone call to see if she's got that in because I don't get paid till Tuesday, so I don't know if I will have it now or it'll be Tuesday.
Okay. All righty. I'm sure they'll give you an opportunity to call.
Thank you so much.
All righty.
Thanks.
And who was that? That was Mr.
Bertram.
All right, who do we have here?
Darian Montgomery now?
Montgomery?
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
are we going out of order?
Those three medical.
Oh, that's right. You said that. I'm sorry. You're right. Apologies. Montgomery. All right, Mr. Montgomery, you're charged with obstruction. That bond is set at 1,000. Improper lane change, 500. Driving on suspended license, 1,500 for a total bond of $3,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I've had a suspended license case with you all in January. I got that case dismissed because I had proof and evidence showing that warrant for North Carolina was mistaken in their system.
Well, I'm going to appoint an attorney to you so you can tell that attorney all of that. So maybe he can get that part. Maybe he can get that dismissed. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. Again, your bond is $3,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Yeah.
Ma'am, may I talk to you just a second, please? I got a question. It's about, you said I got a $6,000 bond, but
Hold on,
I'm sorry.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Bertrand would like to ask you a question.
It's not about the,
Hold on.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I did you say I don't have a preliminary hearing or do?
You don't have a what?
Did you say I do or don't have a preliminary hearing?
You have a preliminary hearing for September the 8th.
Okay, and I'll have the court, the lawyer.
But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that date.
Oh, I don't. So then it'll be a different day.
Right.
Gotcha.
All right.
Go ahead with them. Betty?
Hold on one second. Hold on.
Okay.
So you want to give him special conditions to stay away from?
Mm-hmm. Hold on. All right, I'm ready when you guys are.
Y'all in the order that she called?
Yeah.
All right, and what's your name?
I can't hear you, ma'am.
What's your name?
Christine Benton.
To my hearing, Harvey?
All right, Mr. Ben, you're charged with criminal damage in the second degree. That bond is set at $2,000, simple battery, $3,000, obstruction, $2,000, for a total bond of $7,000. You may not have any contact with Alicia McLeod, and you may not return to 852 Garden Walk Boulevard, Apartment 8 in College Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you reside at that location, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so you shouldn't have a problem with staying away. It appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, and I have appointed one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank
you. We're done.
How
What
much you said the
about
bond is out together?
Lance Brown?
She said 3,000. Lance Brown?
Yes.
Is Deputy Jackson back there?
He left for a second.
Oh, okay. All right. What's your name, sir?
Lance Brown.
All right, Mr. Brown, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at $5,000. You may not have any contact with Kate Brown. You may not return to 4552 3080 Dixie Road in Forest Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you reside at that location?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go back, but only accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Again, your bond is $5,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Is there any way I can see about OR, because I got doctor's appointments coming up for workman's comp. I got my lawyers at John Foy and Associates, and I don't need to go back to the house. I just need to get out of here so I can do my doctor's appointment. I gotta get needles, shots in me, and stuff like that. Well, I have all the stuff from John Foy at that residence, which I don't. I can have the sheriff or somebody go get it. Because I can't afford to. I have nobody. I have no phone numbers or nothing. And I got 2 appointments. One is a settlement, and the other one for my workman's comp. And if I don't make those, I'm gonna lose out on them. And it's been a year since I've been
So I
working on
can't
this.
give you on these facts. I cannot give you a signature bond. I'll go down to 3,000 though. So your bond is 3,000.
And when's my next court case? That's how long I'm gonna be here.
Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
But I'm appointing you an attorney so they can try to work that out before that time.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Brown, Rodney.
Not done.
Who's running?
I don't know. You tell me. I didn't call your name.
What's your name?
Rodney Brown.
Mr. Brown, you're charged with aggravated assault. I set that bond at $20,000. Battery, $5,000. Your total bond is $25,000. You may not have any contact if you make bond with Tahalina Barlow.
Yes, ma'am.
And you cannot go back to 782 Dunaire Way in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Did you reside at that location?
When I did, I was homeless, but I have my own place now. I don't need to go back there for nothing.
Your personal belongings are no longer there?
No, my brother got them from their house. I don't have to go there for nothing.
Okay, good.
My son's stuff out there too. That's the Lord fine I can get, man. I'm working a new job, but I get paid like $1,200 a week. So it's a good job, but I only been working it for like a month because I got hired like a month after that situation happened. So I think right now I probably got like $1,500. My sister says she'll put in with me, but I'm not sure if she really gonna come through.
So you have quite a bit of criminal history.
All right. Okay, great, man. I'll figure it out. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm. Got some. Let him know that I am appointing him an attorney.
Brown. Rodney. She's appointing you attorney. Shh. Hold on. No. She's appointing you an attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Not bad. You good? You good out?
Ain't bad.
They gonna slide that down. It's still in the beans. Right. They done in that?
Yeah.
Any see him there?
No, he don't.
What's the interest?
Check upstairs, would they, check up, would they give us our medications that we need?
When you about to go sick call. When you done.
So they won't give it to us? But would they take us to like sick call if we ask?
You can go to sick call, tell them you're in court, you didn't get your name.
All right, what's your name, sir?
Quentin Bunch.
All right, Mr. Bunch, you're charged with battery, family violence. That bond is set at $8,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You must stay away from Zion Fuller, and you can't go back to that 241 Falcon Drive in Forest Park. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that, okay?
Just ma'am, is there any way that I can get like a lower bond? The officer told me it was gonna be a simple battery or something like that. Officer Taylor. I got his number and stuff. He said it was gonna be a simple battery. He said, cause he went
So the allegations is that you were striking Zion Fuller in the face and in the mouth. You were hitting him, or that biting him in the jaw and in his back. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
And let me see your criminal. Let me relook at your criminal history. Man, I shouldn't have gave you no bond. You out on bond for aggravated assault. I should deny your bond. You asking me for a lower bond? Stay out of trouble.
I will.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. And you said 8,000?
8,000. I did appoint you an attorney. All right, what's your name?
Kavari Campbell.
Campbell, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $1,500. You must not violate any laws once you bond out of jail. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Man, is there a way I could get a lower bond? I can afford $1,000 right now. I have $1,000 on my books. I could pay my bond with right now. Man, please.
Out on bond for aggravated assault.
No, I'm not. That was. I can't get it lower. Can I get $1,000 bond, please?
I've set it at $1,500, sir. I'm not lowering that. Have a good day. What's your name?
Yeah.
What is it?
Antonio Crawford.
Crawford. Crawford.
Antonio Crawford.
All right, Mr.
Yes,
Crawford,
ma'am.
your bond, you're charged with aggravated assault by strangulation. I've set that bond at $15,000. Cruelty to children, $5,000, for a total bond of $20,000. You may not have any contact with Denisa Felder, and you may not return to 1161 Pine Glen Drive in Riverdale. Is that also your residence, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to pick up some of your personal belongings.
Sorry, can I get that reduced, please?
Absolutely not. Not based on these allegations.
They did give y'all an OR.
Send me Robinson.
Asked for it, not asked for
So
it.
how much you say the bond?
I don't know who keeps telling them to come.
20,000.
Y'all gonna ask for all that? We can tell y'all to go.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
No ORs, no reduced ones.
Good afternoon.
All righty. What's your name, sir?
Demar Day?
Day.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Day, you're charged with criminal damage in the second degree. That bond is set at $3,000. You may not have any contact with Alexis Washington, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m.
I'm sorry, ma'am, you're freezing up. Can you say it again? You were freezing up.
Hold on one second. Your bond is $3,000. You cannot have any contact with Alexis Washington. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hold on. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, I can't see your face. It just say first appearance.
Oh no, just go keep straight all the way down the hall, elevator 2 and 4.
Dale? You Dale?
No, Ely.
Dale's
No.
All right, I'm sorry about that. What was your name?
Maceo Ely.
Righty. Let him go back. I didn't do his yet. If you could skip him, because I need to look at his history. Do you have Ronald Hall? Can I get Ronald Hall and Hampton? Ronald Hall. So Hall and Hampton. What's your name, sir?
Good afternoon.
Hey,
Hamilton.
Yeah.
All right, you're charged with
Alrighty, how
simple
you doing
assault.
today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. You're charged with simple assault. I've set that bond at $1,000. You cannot have any contact with Felicia Johnson, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you live in the same residence with Miss Johnson?
Yes, ma'am. We just moved down from Miami.
Okay.
Okay, you can't go back to that location. Hold on.
She said, just call me when you get done.
Oh, this happened in a car. Okay, you can't have any contact with her. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, you said my bond 1,000?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Go to that big crowd.
Huh?
Mr. Hamilton?
Yes, ma'am.
Get a sack, make a left, make a right, all the way down to the medical door. They all the same.
Mr. Hamilton, you got to change your ways. You got a book for a criminal history. Jesus.
Ma'am, I thought I already had changed my ways.
Oh, okay.
Go that way.
All right. So you're charged with criminal trespass.
That's it. And I'm willing to plead guilty to getting it over with.
Walk up that hallway, so do the door on the right.
All right. So if you get out, you cannot return to that location, okay?
Cool.
Your bond is set, you're setting your bond at 500.
So I'm not able to plead guilty to it.
No, this is your first appearance. This is not trial. But I'll see if I can get your paperwork pushed.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
God bless you.
All righty.
All the way down the hall, 2 and 4.
What's your name?
Montreal.
Mr. Harper?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Harper, you're charged with fleeing and eluding. That bond is set at 5,000, reckless driving, 2,000, passing on the shoulder, 1,000, for a total bond of 9,000. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Grab a sack all the way down the hall.
Your Honor, did you need Ely right now?
No, if you can, I'm not ready for him. He's probably gonna be one of the last ones.
You go sit right now. Go sit in 6 right now.
We won't be able to do that. The jail will take they'll take talk to one of the CO and supervisor. What house you use? 4, right out 4. Oh. All the way down the hall, elevator 2 and 4. The house you 4.
All the way down.
Then John gonna walk down the hall, go to elevator 2 and 4. Elevator 4.
What's your name? Sir, what's your name?
Harwell.
All right, Mr. Harwell, you're charged with theft by taking. I've set that bond at 3,000. You may not have any contact with Franklin Lackman, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you guys reside in the same home?
No, ma'am. I just know I had 3-1. I missed 3 court dates. Does it show that over there?
I don't know, sir. Your criminal history is also a book. It's so much stuff in there. You have spent more time with us than you have your own family.
That's right, that's true.
Let me see if I am gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney.
All right.
And this is misdemeanor. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
So that's a misdemeanor?
It is a misdemeanor.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
All right.
What's your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Antavius Henderson.
All right, Mr. Henderson, you're charged with BGCSA. That bond is set at 8,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce.
How much did
1,000. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. Another charge. That one is 5,000 for a total bond of 14,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Again, your bond amount is 14,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Scoot all the way down.
Good
All right.
afternoon.
So, hi, are you Mr. Hurt?
No, I'm Mr. Hicks.
Oh, Mr. Hicks.
Yes.
All right, you got to put him to the side too. So Ely and Hicks, I haven't gotten to him either. I'm ready for Hurts and Polites. What's your name?
Alonzo Hurt.
All right, Mr. Hurt, you're charged with obstruction of bond is set at 1,000, simple assault 500. Okay, I see here you don't have a criminal history, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you out.
All right.
But I don't want to see you back.
No, you won't. So what's my bond? I got a bond?
No, she just dismissed it, man.
Oh, I'm just making sure.
But I didn't I'm gonna let you out on a signature bond. What now? You guys know it as a signature bond, so you don't have to post bond. You'll just get processed out. You'll sign saying you're gonna come back to court.
Okay.
Go ahead and sign that waiver for me. But I am gonna go ahead and appoint you an attorney. All right.
All right.
Good luck to you. Mr. Polite?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, next I'm gonna do Robinson. All right, Mr. Polite, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $2,000. You may not go back to the Happy Store at 7694 Terra Boulevard in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 9th. I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Elevator 2 and 4, you can go to House Unit 4.
What's your name?
Deshaun Robinson.
All right, Mr. Robinson. I can have Mr. Rushing next. Russian. All right, Mr. Robinson, you're charged with disorderly conduct. That bond is set at $1,500, obstruction 1,000 for a total bond of $2,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You can't go back to that Family Dollar.
Okay.
And that Family Dollar is located at 6365 Highway 85. And that's considered Riverdale.
Well, can I explain a little bit about the charges and maybe it can help the situation?
Remember, I said, if you just have to say something, go ahead.
Okay. Well, could you probably reduce the bond?
We just told
Why would I do that?
We just told her not to ask for a reduced fund or OR.
Oh, I didn't. Okay. Well. Okay.
You have something to tell me, say it. What is it that you want to tell me?
Well, the obstruction charge, can you see the could you read the description back to me?
It says that you attempted to bite the officer and that you were resisting arrest. You tried to grab his taser.
Okay. I didn't bite him at all, but also I know that the grabbing his taser, that's another, that's something else added on instead of it just being, because I don't know how he put those charges together, but.
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you explain it to your attorney.
Okay.
And I'm setting your bond is still remaining at $2,500. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
What's your name, sir?
Russian.
All right, Mr. Russian. After that, I'm gonna do seals. You're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at $8,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce, $1,000. Another VGCSA 5,000 for a total bond of $14,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I am going to go ahead and appoint you an attorney. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh. Mr. Seals?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then next I can do Ward. All right, Mr. Seals, you're charged with tag violation. That bond is set at 500, no insurance, 1,000 obstruction, 2,000 for a total bond of $3,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I am going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. The preliminary hearing is September the 9th. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. So your bond is $3,500.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right? All righty. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Charles Edward Ward.
All right, Mr. Ward. Next, I'm going to do Tucker. All right, Mr. Ward, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at $5,000. Aggravated assault. I did $20,000, but normally I do no bond on these type charges. But I did one for $20,000. You must stay away from Tierra Ward, and you may not return to 392 Layfield Drive in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. These are some serious allegations. If they are true, the victim in this case would do herself justice and staying away from you as well, or something bad happens. If the allegations are true, of course. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. And I am appointing, actually, you don't qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Did I have a bond?
$25,000.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
No contact with her.
Yes, ma'am.
All righty. What's your name, sir? Tucker?
Zachary Tucker.
All right, Mr. Tucker, you're charged with aggravated assault by strangulation. I have denied that bond. The battery, 5,000. You must stay away from Yatin Patel, and you must not violate any laws while you're out. Once you get out on bond, or when you get out on bond. I'm also appointing an attorney to you.
So,
Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. Yes, sir?
can you clarify for me? You're giving me a bond on one and no bond on the other?
Right. The aggravated assault by strangulation has no bond.
Okay.
All righty. I've also appointed an attorney. Good luck to you, sir. Name, sir?
Kari Lewis.
How do you know Mr. Tull?
She put a, I don't even know if that's her name or not. I don't even know who that is.
How do you know her? How did you come in contact with her?
She came to our house trying to find my little sister, I guess.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Can't have any contact with her, but she doesn't live at this 526 Fielding Court.
No,
Okay. Right. So I'm gonna take that off. I had you not returning there.
Stand in front of that door so she can see you. Stand to the right. Go to the right.
So the victim came, Miss Tull came to your residence?
yes, ma'am.
For what?
They trying to jump my little sister.
That's what they do now. They come to your house?
That's what they did, yeah.
Wow. How old are you?
I'm 17.
All right. I don't see a history. I'm gonna let you out. All right, but you can't have any contact with the victim, Miss Tull. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And stay out of trouble. Sign that. They're gonna have you sign a waiver so that you can get out.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. I am gonna appoint you an attorney, though.
Okay.
All righty.
Hold on.
What's your name, sir?
Dwight Reese.
All right. Let him go back. Let me take Wade and Martin first.
Okay.
Wade and Martin first.
Who is Martin? Martin. Martin. Oh, that was a B&B, Your Honor.
Who? Martin?
Martin, was that what he's in the hospital. I'm sorry, he's in the hospital.
Oh, in the hospital. Okay, so we need to continue this one. Martin. All right. All right. All right. What about Mr. Wade?
Right here, man.
Mr. Wade, you win the prize of the biggest criminal history for the day. You win the prize. Oh my Jesus.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Wade, you're charged with improper lane change. That bond is set at 500. Possession of a firearm by a felon, 6,000. Dangerous drugs out of the right or proper container, 1,000. Driving on suspended license, 1,000, for a total bond of 8,500.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
And setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th.
ma'am.
I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Those last two down there?
What's your name, sir?
Yeah, all we got
Nah, she's Staten.
Say that again.
Nah, she's Staten.
Staten?
Staton.
Staten, all right.
I just plug the kid on that slow shit. Come on.
Really, Mr. Staten? Really? Wow.
Yeah, get one.
All right, you're charged with sexual battery. The allegation is that in the TSA line, you grab somebody's butt. Don't have any criminal history. And set that bond at $3,000. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
We're set already down the hall, elevator tour. We on elevator. All y'all in grab the set, go down the hall.
What's your name?
Arthur Thomas.
Mr. Thomas.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, other than you.
You got one.
No, right there, the number now.
He got one.
We can go back down and I'll just
Mr. Thomas, do you think you may have a drug problem?
No, ma'am.
All right. I'm dismissing the DUI.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, y'all come grab y'all set and go sit there down. He finna go.
And I'm setting your bond at $2,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I'm sorry. I can't read my own handwriting. I'm setting your bond at $1,500.
Yes, ma'am.
Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for September the 9th. Actually, I'm just gonna I'm gonna let you out.
Thank you.
But watch your speed.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you gonna
Back here again.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Take that out your pants and ass.
Can I get another one?
Yes, steal it.
What's your name?
Dwight Reese.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I may have lied earlier. You may have the longest criminal history. You may have won.
The white Reese.
Yes, the white Reese. All right. Hold on.
Let him get two before you put it on him.
All right. For the BGCSA, I'm setting that bond at 2,000. Possession of marijuana, less than an ounce, 500. Tenant window violation, 500, for a total bond of $3,000. Must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing date is September the 8th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Again, your bond is 3,000. Good luck to you, guys.
Thank you.
You don't want one second? Get it.
What's your name?
Dante Wilson.
Is yours? Is yours, buddy?
How old are you, Mr. Wilson?
17.
17.
Wow.
Come on, Marty.
Hey, get a pen, but they got to sign it.
Unbelievable. Look like you don't have a criminal history.
It is my first time.
You went out strong. You went out the gate strong, I tell you. All right, so I hate to see this. It really is disturbing. Too young for this. You're gonna be sitting back there.
Try that one up. Okay, cool. That's the thing, if you put it in with the thing, you end up getting somebody.
Let me just read these allegations to you. That you unlawfully assaulted the person of the victim, Zalicia Peterson. Do you know Miss Peterson?
Oh, it's freezing. What you say?
Do you know Miss Peterson?
No, ma'am.
You pointed a firearm at her, and you stated, "Don't fucking move," while pointing a gun at her face. At 17 years old, all right, so all right, your charges are possession of a firearm by a person under the age of 18. That bond is denied. Possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. That bond is denied. Aggravated assault, denied. Armed robbery, denied. And then possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 1,000. Drug-related items, 1,000. You must not violate any laws once you're able to get out. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. and I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Up to you, sir. All righty. What's your name, sir?
Xavier Wright.
All right, Mr. Wright. You're charged with theft by receiving stolen property and driving unexpired license.
Good afternoon, Chairman.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You're currently on probation, sir. You just got on probation.
Yes.
I mean, you just got on probation. I'm about to deny your bond. Then $500. I'm only denying the driving on suspended license. The theft by receiving stolen property is a felony, so I have to deny that because you are currently on active probation. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th, September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
You want for the 250, Charlotte?
Xavier Wright.
Okay.
Mr. Dale. These are two fugitives.
All right, hold on. Let me finish this one.
She got that.
This was mine. All right, so I have 3 people left.
No, you have 4.
Okay, what, 4 fugitives?
You have 2 fugitives and 2 that you sent back. You said hold them for last.
Oh, okay, I can take them before I take the fugitives.
Okay.
What's your name?
Maceo Ely.
Yeah, they are the same. You're gonna have 7 copies.
Oh, Ely? You're Mr. Ely?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want
All right.
She won't go into. Yeah,
It's too much.
All right, Mr. Ely. The simple battery, that bond is set at 2,000. Simple assault, 1,000. Hindering a 911, obstruction by hindering a 911 call. That's 2,000 for a total bond of $5,000. You may not have any contact with Christian McWhorter, and you may not return to that 9 Treasure Drive address in Riverdale, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you reside there?
No, I actually moved with my mom.
Okay.
But
All right. If you have any personal belongings, you can go, but only while accompanied by law enforcement officer to collect your personal belongings.
Judge,
I've said,
Judge, she tried to come down here to, to like explain the situation to try to.
They often do.
Yeah, so
They
she
often
was
do.
trying to get me out of this situation, but they were saying I had to go through the process.
Yep, you do. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
What's my total bond?
Your total bond is 5,000. And I have appointed an attorney to you.
Thank you.
Good luck to
You
you,
have a
sir.
good day.
All right. What's your name?
Anthony Hicks.
You don't have to.
Yeah, you good. Down hard, elevator 204.
And so you're a co-defendant of Miss Miss Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all definitely need to stay away from each other.
I will definitely be staying away from her.
He took your kiss. He took your kiss. You didn't see him grab. I give it back.
And that was all right. On the criminal trespass, sending that bond at 1,000, battery, 1,500, obstruction, 2,000, possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 500, for a total bond of $4,500. You cannot have any contact with Jasmine Johnson. And it appears that you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one.
Okay, that's fine.
I guess some kind of way through the grandfather, you guys gonna have to try to get the baby where the baby belongs to be, should be.
Mm-hmm.
But that needs to be done through, I guess, your father.
Yeah, she lives in Delaware, so she was only visiting.
Right. Okay. All righty. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, the previous is all we have left.
Okay. So why do I have Dante Wilson?
You already did that.
I did?
Yes.
Oh, I did. I signed it too. Okay. All righty.
Yo, all the way down the hall, elevator straight, 2 and 4. You gonna get on the elevator, go in there. It's straight all the way down. You gonna see 2 and 4 elevators.
All righty.
Now you gonna, when they both go to housing the 2 and 4, when you get off of them, you're gonna go to the one that's second, say 4. Everybody first appearance is in 4. Told you everybody, I know everybody, that's damn before. You gonna get a figure of 5? Yeah, Lord, to beat up. They did it before. Tell you that. I had to start. Don't miss no. All that shit. I got this. I'm doing this stuff off. And I'm seeing the windows off. So you do it. I gotta take it to say that they didn't let no family/business people come to court today. Say it again.
Like I know some of my family member and business partners wanted to come to the
We
court.
have 83.
Oh, they
Probably told them no.
Now they gotta see it online. You know, when COVID started, they started doing everything online, so they usually get them a Zoom link to watch it online. So if they watch it online, it's
Oh.
My hand is let me know to get some money on.
It's the left hand?
that was the right hand.
Oh, it gotta be the right hand?
All right, sir. Sirs, this is what
No.
we are calling extradition hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Oh, afternoon now.
Oh, good afternoon.
All righty. I am Judge Case Johnson. This is what we call the extradition hearing. A fugitive warrant has been issued for your arrest. You do not have charges pending here in Clayton County. You have been brought before the court today because of charges pending against you for Mr. Dale, that's going to be Florida, and for Mr. Harvey, that's going to be Idaho. Mr. Dale, these charges are possession of meth and some other charges. For Mr. Harvey, you have a number of forgery charges. In accordance with the laws of this state, you are brought before me for an explanation of these proceedings. You have the right to contest the legality of this warrant in all extradition proceedings, or you may waive the right to be extradited and voluntarily be returned to the state that's requesting your detention. Now, before you inform me of whether or not you wish to waive extradition, let me explain the following rights to you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you if you qualify. If you desire to contest the legality of this extradition proceeding, then you must file or have filed on your behalf a writ of habeas corpus. You will be allowed a reasonable amount of time to file such a writ. You may file a writ of habeas corpus to contest the extradition, but you can only contest 4 things. Whether the extradition documents are in order on their face, whether you are charged with a crime in a demanding state, whether you are the person named in the request for extradition, and whether you are in fact a fugitive. You cannot contest the issue of guilt or innocence in this state. You are entitled to the advice of counsel in deciding whether you contest or waive extradition. If you waive extradition, the state that's requesting your presence will have 30 days to come and pick you up. If they don't pick you up in 30 days, you will be released. If you contest and the extraditing state does not come and pick you up within 30 days, you could be committed to the jail for an additional 60 days while you wait extradition. So, Mr. Michael Harvey, at this time, can you tell me, are you wanting to waive or contest extradition?
I'll waive it.
You're going to waive it? Okay. All righty. And so they will have 30 days to come and pick you up. You can just sign that document. And are you making this waiver freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you, sir. You can just sign those documentation.
All 7 of them.
Oh, Mr. Harvey, I don't know what to do with you. I mean, excuse me, Mr. Dale.
Yes, Your Honor. May I please, I don't know if this is allowed in this state, for extradition bond. I'm not running. I didn't know that was there. I have counsel in Florida that's working on it now. If I can pay whatever amount to get released, I will go straight to Florida now. And, you know, I would be bond to you guys in Clayton County, Georgia, if I didn't. And I'm at an age where I just got my kids back and everything. I'm not in for it. I'm not in it to, you know, to get over on anybody. I was actually working with an artist. All I do is manage artists. I will be losing my job. I just got custody back of my oldest daughter. And I'm basically headed on the great path. I'm signed to a label basically with all these artists. So I will be losing.
Hold on one moment. I'm sorry. Hold on one second.
I was with an artist going on the play. I know who's I know who's Nah, she really from Delaware. She just blew up in Florida. But that's how I got it. Going to a work work with everybody. Hot boy, you know, he just came home. Kodak, that's who I
All righty. My apologies for that. All right. And so my concern, Mr. Dale, is that you do have a significant criminal history.
It's a medical that they could keep confusing because Florida is very nasty when it comes to riding with Monday through Sunday bottle things like how old people do. So, you know, I have sickle cell. So when I ride with those, I always have to go back in. But if you look into those cases, everything is dismissed. Everything is always beaten. I do not know why they keep hitting me with these same charges of the same medication that I have in my name. So that's why I'm not, you know, I'm not here to run. I know I didn't know that Florida was looking for me, but now that I do, I will definitely, I could go there right now if I was to get extradition bond. I have the money, I have the willpower, and I have the attorneys that I can do it. I don't want to lose everything I just.
Mr. Dale, I'm going to take a chance on you.
Thank you.
But if you don't go, turn yourself in Florida, then you're going to have a warrant for Georgia.
Yes. And I don't want that because me and my daughter that I got custody of is planning on moving here. So trust me, I'm going there right now as soon as I place bond.
Now you do understand I'm taking a risk here.
Yes, Your Honor, and I won't let you look crazy or let you, you know, be mad at this risk. Hopefully this risk right here allows others who, you know, come in my position and don't know, get a chance to pass on. I promise you I won't play with it.
Where's your counsel today?
It was supposed to be Scott. I'm not sure if he's there, but I know Scott is in talks with my lawyer in Miami. So I don't know where Scott is right now. That's what I was just asking the sheriffs. Is there any way I can see who came to court for me, or